Hello beautiful people, how's it going? You know, I say that in every video because I truly want to know, so please tell me in the comments. I'm doing pretty good if anyone was wondering. Today, I am going to share 8 different ways to style a claw clip. Ooh. Ah. I feel like I do always see them styled in like the same 3 ways. Those are the main ways I do it too. But I wanted to get creative and add a few more options. I have some classics in here, I have some new ideas in here. Let's get started. The first style I am sharing is, of course, the classic, I'm gonna call it like the fountain style. I don't know if it's called that or if it has a name, but you know, this one. So first, you gather all your hair at the nape of your neck, like you're gonna do like a horse girl style low pony. Then twist the hair up, fold it vertically against your head, and then just secure it with a claw clip. Voila! This is the style. Alright, style number 2 is super similar, but this is for when you want all of your hair contained without that little hair flop poking out the top. For this one, you're going to do the same thing as last time to start. Hair back in this low pony shape. We're going to twist it, fold it up, but then, before you clip it, you're just going to fold this piece back down along the edge of your main twist. Then, when you secure the clip, all the hair is contained. Now we are moving into some half-up hairstyles. And first we're going to do the half-up fountain hairstyle. I hadn't really experimented with half-up styles before making this video, but I think this one might be my new hairstyle crush. We're going to start by pulling the top half of our hair back into that same like low ponytail shape, just like this. And then, what do you know, we're going to do that same little twisty thing from the other ones. So we're going to twist the hair up, fold it vertically against the back of the head, and secure it with a clip. So this is what it looks like. I just think this is so cute. I can't explain what about this one like makes it more interesting or cuter than the other ones to me, but next we have the half-up tucked-in hairstyle, which is of course just the half-up version of style number 2. For this style, you basically already know the steps if you've been paying attention.
This is a test.
Gather the top half of your hair once again, just like we did for the last style. And once again, we're going to twist it up like this, fold it up, and then fold the excess back down. And then of course, secure it with the clip. Here's what this one looks like. She's simple, she's cute, she's got it all. I am going to state this next style generally instead of like separately applying it to every different option. And this style option is positioning the claw clip horizontally instead of vertically. Pretty much any claw clip style can be switched up by simply turning the claw clip sideways. The ingenuity, the creativity.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely not ever been done before.
Alright, so this is what it looks like. I'm just showing it with the half-up fountain because that's my new favorite. But as you can see, it works just as well, but it's just a little different, you know? Next style, number 6, is the top knot. This is basically just securing a bun with a claw clip instead of a ponytail, just to mix it up, add a little accessory. Okay, so to do this style, you're just gonna pull all your hair to the crown of your head, just like you would for a bun, and then you're gonna twist it up and start wrapping it around the base again, just like you would for a bun. But then this final piece, it wraps around the back like this. You're just gonna anchor your claw clip so that it kind of connects the bun to the rest of your hair down here on your scalp and encases that last little piece. And so now your whole bun is secure, you're comfy, you look cute. Let's go. Okay, this next style is a little different. I've never seen anyone do this, so let me know what you think of it. This one is just double claw clips. It's basically just like pigtails or space buns, but with clips. I'm parting my hair down the middle all the way down the back of my head. Now I'm just doing the tucked in twist style that we already did at the beginning. It was like the second one. but I'm just doing that on each side. Okay, I think my middle part on the back kind of got a little like decimated while I was doing this, but here's the finished look. I think this is really fun. I don't know, as you can see, it's a little messy, but like, I feel like I would expect this to become a trend because pigtails are so popular and claw clips are so popular, but I've never seen anyone do this. I'm kind of a visionary, what can I say? But I'm also kind of shy, so like hype me up if you like it. And if you don't like it, I'm also curious to know. So still tell me, but do it nicely so I don't feel bad. Finally, we are on to our last style, although I do have a little bonus tip after this, so keep watching. This tip slash general style is incorporating braids with your claw clip look. I feel like mini braids and claw clips are both quintessentially 90s slash early 2000s. They just make sense together. What I'm gonna do is just do my hair in like a regular, you know, twisted up claw clip style, but then just leave out some little face framing mini braids in the front. Just kind of trying to braid in this direction. Does this work? I swear I tried this before and it worked and I'm like, what am I doing differently this time? I don't know. All right, this is attempt number 4 at this style. Wow, I look so good. I gotta try again. Okay, we got there. This is the look. Does that look weird? Maybe one tucked and one untucked? I do feel like a 90s child star in this look. Olsen twins, who? Okay, my final little bonus tip. It's not that exciting, I'm sorry, but it is just to clip your claw clip onto your purse handle? Bruh. Clip your claw clip onto your purse handle for safekeeping. Now, at first you may be like, this is dumb. This isn't even styling. Liz, why would you do this? But let me state my case, all right? First of all, this is just so practical. Such easy access whenever you need it in a pinch. You might be at the mall and all of a sudden there's a robber. He's running from the store. You're like, oh God, I can catch him, but only if I get my hair out of my face so it's not blocking my eyes. Whew, good thing I have this claw clip right on hand. Boom, you're ready to commit a heroic act. Secondly, purses get accessories too. Just like when you tie a little scarf around the handle or a little tassel, a charm. And because claw clips are pretty much meant to be seen, they're not like hidden in your hair like ponytails or bobby pins, they pretty much always look cute. If I had one of those like really cute pattern, like ones that looks like a butterfly, I would want to show it off as much as possible. Voila, this is the solution. Alright, those were all my claw clip styling ideas and tips. Let me know what you thought of them, especially the ones that you hadn't seen before or that I just kind of made up. If you found this useful or entertaining, I would very much like to know, and I would also very much like if you liked this video and commented. That really helps support the channel, the growth, the algorithm attention that I'm so desperately seeking. Another thing that's very helpful is subscribing, which you should do if you want to see more of me. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you personally so much. See you next time. Bye! Go forth in 90s hairstyle goodness. Amen.